Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be playing Paper.io and World Conflict. We're going to see if India can become the king of the world. Alright, so our challenge for today, requested by a viewer, is the 5 capital challenge. See if he can explain that to me. Let me ask him. Okay, so our challenge is the 5 capital challenge. You need to take 5 capital. Because in Paper.io you can go like this and take capitals. Example, that's would be 1 capital. And also in this challenge you have to score over 100 points in those 5 capitals. Okay. This dude looks like he's on the leaderboard. Let's see if we can get him. Ooh, look at that. He almost got us there, not gonna lie, man. Just literally. So that's 2 capitals down. Too much more. Oh, we just got us there. Good game, guys. Only get people's capitals, remember that? It doesn't count as a capital taken though, so only 1 capital taken. Alright, that's 2 capitals taken. Sorry guys, I kind of have a hoarse throat, so. Okay, that's 3 capitals. That doesn't count though, guys, so. Had to get him there because otherwise he would get us. Still 3 capitals. That's 4 capitals. It's a big capital. There. Fifth capital. We have finished the challenge. Next challenge is to get 10 kills. Then we'll just see, try to get like 300, I guess. Okay. Well, we completed the 5 capital challenge. I'm not gonna complain. Oh, he yoinked us from the other end. So next challenge is getting over 300. Score 300. That's a kill? We just deleted him there. There's a leader here. See if we can get his capital. That'll be a bunch of points. Ooh, someone else got him. This other player over here is also on the leaderboard. Check out him. Okay, can we yoink his capital? I think we did. It's a good one. Don't get me. Okay. That was a good one. We got this dude right here. Yep, we got him. You yoinked him again. Alright, let's get back to our capital so we can finish up the challenge. Okay, boys, we completed the challenge. See if we can get more possible. Heard it looks like someone's evading, so we got protecting because you lose score if they invade successfully. Oh shoot, someone just respawned there. Just tense tunnel. Got him. I'm trying to get this dude's capital. Well, it's okay. So I'll try to get this dude's capital. Since I'm invading them. Got him. Got him again. Pretty good round. Okay, I think that the Russian dude. So I think we're doing pretty good. Alright, if we steal this, we get charge points. So I'm trying to steal our capital. Problem is I can't see because of what Gim, so I'm just like, sorry, I'm staring in the wrong corner. Okay, let's try to cut this. Got it. Okay, we have 800 points, guys. Pretty good round. So there's a dude invading here. This dude right here. Oh, wait. Don't try to disrespect me like that. Yeah, people are fake again.